Welcome to another episode of Tech Review. Today I have in front of me is a baby monitor. It's made by Motorola. I bought this week. So I will be reviewing this as well as doing an unboxing of what it comes with. Yeah, so stay tuned. Unboxing video coming up. Right guys, so the baby monitor, this is the box, so I'll just go ahead and unbox it and show you what comes with this particular baby monitor. The model number is, by the way, is if you have a look here, is this one here, MBP 482AN XL Glow. It's a 2.8 inch. So yeah, right. So first thing is, okay, yeah, this is the battery. But good thing is a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to buy additional batteries. It's rechargeable. And then one of these is, I believe, where you plug in the monitor. Right, this is the camera. To show you. This is the monitor where, let's say if the baby's upstairs or baby's downstairs and you're downstairs, or and obviously we'll keep this monitor with you to see what the baby's up to. Right, that's pretty much it. Then you get some instruction manual as well. So yeah, but yeah, that's everything you get with the Motorola baby monitor. Yeah, so it's just an empty box. Right, on the next video I'll be doing a review after I install it on my baby's cot bed, and we'll let you know if it's worth the money. So I've installed the baby monitor on my baby's cot bed. As you can see, the camera there, and this is her cot bed. Ideally should be sleeping around here, so it's connected there, plugged in, so just give you a better view. And this is the monitor where I can see, so the main point of view where she would usually be sleeping. That's about it really. It wasn't that difficult to install. It was pretty straightforward. Took me about 10 minutes, and yeah, so there you go. That's how you install a baby monitor. There is an app, I believe, on App Store. I'm not sure if it's on Android as well. It's called Baby Hubble or something, and you can connect, if your monitor is a Wi-Fi model, then you can connect that to the app and connect your phone and control it from your phone, I believe. But I haven't tried that, so I'm just gonna use this monitor for our baby. Anyway, thanks for watching, and happy parenting.